Earth, the only planet in our solar system to harbor more than 8 billion different organisms, each with their very own unique and different environment in which they live in. In different parts of the world, temperate grasslands are called different names. In North America, they're known as prairies. South America, they're known as pampas. In Eurasia, they're known as steppes. And Africa, they're known as velds. As we look into the American prairies, we can see that there are two different periods, a growing period and a dormant period. During the dormant period, not much grass grows due to the cold weather during wintertime. During winter, temperatures can reach below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and during the summer, temperatures can reach up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Most precipitation comes during late spring or early summer. Other times, there are droughts and wildfires that also help maintain the environment. This allows the upper layer of the soil to be extremely fertile, allowing for flowers and different plants to grow. When rainy season arrives, the grassland is often covered by many flowers, and some of them survive well into the wintertime. With the help of underground storage systems and thick, strong roots. Despite the fact that there are no trees and shrubs in the area, the fertile soil has allowed for others such as cottonwoods and oaks to grow near small areas of water. The grassland is one of the most agriculturally useful landscapes on Earth for farmers. Many of the farmers have found the grasslands to be so useful in farming that most of them have been converted into croplands or pastures. And as for the animals that live on grasslands, they have become accustomed to the dry and windy climate. Although there is a low diversity of wildlife in the grasslands, there is always a high abundance of the animals there, especially the bison in North America. Other animals include pocket gophers and prairie dogs. Many of the predators are wolves, coyotes, foxes, and badgers. The grassland also carries a wide variety of birds, including quails, sparrows, hawks, and owls. As we see in the food web, there is an intricate system of hierarchy in the grassland. Due to the meticulous system, if an animal were either to be introduced or have left the environment, then the whole food web would fall apart. An example would be between the bison and the grass in the grassland. The grassland is extremely rich in cellulose, so that herbivores such as bisons can use bacteria to break down and use as nutrients. But if the soil was never fertile enough to house these different plants, then herbivores would eventually go extinct due to the lack of food resources in the environment. Occasionally, an invasive species is often introduced to the environment. In this case, buffalo grass is a type of plant that fuels wildfires that normal native plants are unable to withstand. In order to preserve the native species, oftentimes many organisms will find a way to consume the invasive species, such as the buffalo eating the buffalo grass. The American bison plays a very important role in the grassland environment. Between the bison and the grass, there is a symbiotic relationship. As the plants provide the bison with food resources, the bison in return supplies the plants with nutrients through its urine and manure, all while stirring the soil with its feet. This allows for the new seedlings to be buried into the soil and having the nutrients needed to grow. The bison is nearly threatened on the IUCN Red List. This is mainly caused by the outbreak of railroad construction during the 19th century. During this time, many new settlers found the bison skin to be very useful, prompting the new settlers to hunt bison directly from the newly built railroad trains. Despite being nearly extinct at one point, the bison is now making its way up in population numbers. Although the bison population may be stable now, bisons all over the world are continuously hunted for their valuable skin and will continue to decline population. Nowadays, many farmers often use the slash and burn method to burn down their crops or consume too much of the grasslands for their own crop needs. If native plants aren't able to grow in their own environment, then other herbivores such as the bisons cannot survive on other food resources. Natural wildfires also burn down some of the more important plants that bisons eat. With each symbiotic relationship, it's very crucial that each organism plays its role in the grassland environment.